Hello everyone, this is just a follow-up video to the Nadula hair unit that I received and I showed you the other day. I colored it, I plucked it a little bit, and the hair is super duper soft. I also trimmed it. I trimmed it just a tad. I had to install it myself since we're quarantining, and I'll have my hairstylist install it properly after the quarantine is over, but I just wanted to show you the finished look of the unit. And this the description, I'll include a discount code in the description box below, and also the exact unit just in case you want to order one. But it is like super duper soft, and this is 130% density again, so to me it was rather thick, but after I plucked it, I mean, nothing is coming out in the comb. It's not shedding. It was thick. It was a little thicker than this, and again, I plucked it, but I'm sure my stylist will pluck it some more and really perfect it and make it really sharp and nice, but I have to wait until the drama is over. But please let me know what you think. Feel free to comment, like, and share, and subscribe, and I'll definitely come with some more videos, more reviews of products that I receive and products that I order. All right? See you soon. Bye.